all.
Go ahead.
Hearty beef stew with potatoes.
Yeah.
I am. I don't want to scare her. I don't want to spook her.
Yeah, the wheels aren't there anymore.
Come back and see if that happens. Stay with us.
Hey, Pat, are you almost ready to send out the latest Wheel of Fortune newsletter?
Almost. I'm just adding the finishing touches.
Pat, this is just pictures of you from the 80s.
Yep, it's perfect. Subscribe today on wheeloffortune.com.
It's almost been a year since I got here in Audi of Albuquerque, and oh my, what a year it's been. And I'm talking about our customers, our employees, and always trying to find a better way to serve you, the customer, right here at Audi of Albuquerque. Thank you.
Right now at Sleep More, inside more for less, you can trade in and trade up to your new mattress.
See, I have to sneak up on her, otherwise she won't watch TV anymore.
Sleep More is the best place to buy a new mattress with top name brands like Tempur-Pedic, Sealy, and Stearns & Foster.
And you'll get up to $500 in credit.
And up to 72 months interest-free financing when you recycle your old mattress.
It's time to trade up to your best night's sleep, only at Sleep More.
She's kind of a... She likes to get her picture taken, though. Yeah. I don't know how she'd feel about a video. She don't know it right now.
But one thing can calm uncertainty. An answer. Uncovered through exploration, teamwork, and innovation. An answer that leads to even more answers. Mayo Clinic. You know where to go.
She likes the wheel spinning.
Our customers in the last 11 months have said things like this: amazing,
Huh?
hassle-free, compassionate, transparent, friction-free. That's what this environment
Yeah, I'm doing a video.
right here in
Yeah.
Audi of Albuquerque.
Yeah, she's watching TV.
Tonight's Winter Break Show is brought to you by the following. Purple Mattress. Experience Purple. Soft where you want it, firm where you need it, and comfortably cool all night.
Do you really want a mattress with a memory? Ugh, 5 years ago I told you your mattress was awful. Remember this guy?
The lighting sucks.
Wow. Look at that. You were still using Ryan's, yes.
She's still watching it, though.
No pressure support for yourself. Purple, reinventing comfort.
Oh, here she goes. It's Wheel of Fortune.
Prevagen. Your brain changes as you get older. But Prevagen
Dad,
helps your brain.
how come you're not watching Wheel of Fortune anymore?
Improves short-term